The most significant change in the history of XRP is about to happen. With good reason, this coin has been showing signs of breaking the $1 mark. Over the weekend, a lot happened, and some of the details are hidden in plain sight. Yes, gentlemen, Ripple is publicly displaying what is about to occur, but most of us are blind to it. But don't be concerned, this channel will keep your eyes wide open at all times. So, let's get this party started. Hello, and welcome to XRP HUD, your favorite cryptocurrency channel. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on notifications to receive notifications when new videos are released. That way, you won't miss out on any of the latest information. And once again, welcome back to my XRP fam. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Ripple recently posted an open position on their website, inviting any qualified candidate to apply and join the team. That's a bold move, and I say good for them. Ripple appears to be on the verge of expanding their company, which is a fantastic thing. Now for the real eye-opener. I'd like to show you something that I'm sure you've overlooked. Yes, gentlemen, the best part is that it's all right in front of our eyes. Have you noticed that the majority of the open positions on Ripple's official page are in the United States? Yes, I understand that Ripple's headquarters are in the United States. But don't you think it's a little strange given their current lawsuit? Listen to me out. Why would Ripple want to hire more people if they were going to lose? That is incomprehensible. But what if Ripple and its legal team already knew they were going to win, and the case is being stalled solely to demonstrate that the regulatory body did an excellent job? In other words, XRP is on its way to the moon, and no one can stop it. This tweet by John Deedon, in which he says, "I tweeted this 6 months ago," also caught our attention. With Gary Gensler's recent comments, Hester Peirce's public criticism of the SEC, and now the pending infrastructure bill targeting crypto. It's clear that our fear and prediction of the United States falling behind the rest of the Earth globe Americas is a done deal. The lawsuit against Ripple is only slowing down the future of America's crypto adoption. This includes the time it takes for crypto regulations to be implemented. Regrettably, the current case primarily affects crypto traders in the United States. What exactly do I mean? Only the United States has banned XRP. This is due to the fact that other countries continue to trade XRP, while others have gone so far as to sign a contract with Ripple. Furthermore, all of this is taking place while the SEC lawsuit is still ongoing. Not only that, but there is more. NFT are also being added to the XRP ecosystem. More information can be found in an article published on Forecast News. Ripple Labs, a San Francisco-based payments technology company, continues to look outward for opportunities in other areas and on other shores as the SEC. Ripple Labs lawsuit drags on, and Ripple is looking to bring non-fungible tokens to the XRP ledger as part of its latest business expansion, which aims to tap into the lucrative and growing NFT market while also expanding its on-demand liquidity ODL payments business around the world. While collectibles are the most common use case for NFT today, David Schwartz, Ripple's chief technology officer, said in a Ripple Drop video this week that he sees a lot of potential for NFT in other areas. A lot of us have digital rights bundles like movies or songs we bought, books you might have, or a Kindle, and they're usually tied to services with monthly fees, Schwartz said. So there's an interesting future use case of allowing people to sort of be their own custodians of their digital rights, Schwartz said. The XRP ledger has a number of characteristics that make it appealing to NFT, including low cost and high speed. XRP is also directly available on the ledger, eliminating the need for a user to transfer funds to another ledger. In the coming months, federated sidechains blockchains that operate alongside other blockchains could be available for the XRP ledger, expanding the XRP ledger's use cases. According to Schwartz, the XRP ledger can handle well over 1,000 transactions per second. But that's a finite limit. And if you're imagining future use cases, millions of NFT or something, you can exceed that limit because each federated sidechain has its own transaction volume. Schwartz says, on the XRP ledger, there is little to no support for DeFi. You could have a sidechain to the XRP ledger with the same assets and DeFi functions, Schwartz explained. Seeing real centralized federated sidechains to provide features like DeFi is probably 6 to 9 months away. Despite its legal woes in the United States, Ripple has seen remarkable growth in Asia Pacific. Ripple net transactions in the region grew tenfold in 2020, thanks to the use of ODL for cross-border remittances, according to Brooks and Whistle, Ripple's managing director for Asia Pacific, in a Ripple Drop video, and he expects more growth in the region for Ripple. Ripple announced last month that it was teaming up with SBI Remit, Japan's largest money transfer company, Coins PH, and SBI VC Trade, a digital asset exchange platform, to use XRP for remittances between Japan and the Philippines. Ripple has also teamed up with Navati, a digital banking and payments company listed on the Australian Securities Exchange, to use Ripple's ODL for cross-border payments and remittances between Australia and Philippines via iRemit, a Filipino-owned remittance service provider. And daily volume for XRP increased significantly in the second quarter, Q2 of 2021 compared to the first quarter. According to Ripple's Q2 2021 XRP markets report, with average daily volume reported doubling to $4.49 billion in Q2 from $2.26 billion in CON. According to Crypto, Ripple's total XRP sales in Q2 were $157.92 million, down from $150.34 million in CON and accounting for 0.4% of global XRP. In Q2, 3 billion XRP, 1 billion XRP per month were released from escrow. As in previous quarters, according to Ripple, a total of 2.7 billion XRP was returned and placed into new escrow contracts. The price of XRP began the year at US 22 cents and peaked at US $1.84 on April 15. According to CoinGecko data, XRP is currently trading at US 73 cents at the time of publication. This week, the U. Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn granted Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple Labs and a co-defendant in the lawsuit, his request for information on his XRP transactions from Cayman Islands-based Binance Holdings Limited. Garlinghouse had requested that the court issue a letter of request for international judicial assistance so that he could obtain information about his account and XRP transactions made on Binance as evidence in his defense. Garlinghouse's latest motion comes after the court granted a similar request to he and co-defendant Chris Larson, Ripple's executive chairman, made to 16 foreign cryptocurrency exchanges, including Hong Kong-based exchanges Bitfinex, Bitfinex, and Huobi. The United States of America declared war on ISIS in December of last year. Ripple was sued by the Securities and Exchange Commission, alleging that its sale of XRP was an unregistered securities offering worth over $1.38 billion for allegedly aiding and abetting Ripple's violations. The SEC named Garlinghouse and Larson as co-defendants. The SEC claims that Garlinghouse, who has been Ripple's CEO since January 2017 and was the company's chief operating officer from April 2015 to December 2016, sold over 357 million XRP he had received from Ripple to public investors in the market, generating approximately $159 million USD from those sales. Garlinghouse and Larson have argued that their XRP sales were over 357 million XRP he had received from Ripple, generating approximately $159 million according to Matthew Solomon, one of Garlinghouse's defense attorneys. The SEC failure to allege domestic offers and sales should be fatal to its claims for the reasons set forth in Mr. Garlinghouse's motion to dismiss, if this case proceeds beyond that stage. However, the discovery that Mr. Garlinghouse seeks will be relevant to demonstrating that the offers and sales that the SEC challenges did not occur in this country and are not subject to the law that the SEC has invoked in this case. Ripple is moving in the right direction, and the company is becoming virtually unstoppable. The SEC will soon have to admit defeat and accept a settlement to bring this lawsuit to a close. And when that happens, the value of this coin will skyrocket. So, let's take a look at the technical analysis. Now we're looking at things from a daily standpoint. XRP has faced a lot of criticism and problems in the last year, but it has managed to stay in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. The overall market has begun a strong recovery from its July lows in recent weeks. Most coins were down nearly 60% to 80% from their May/April highs at the time. That is now changing, and XRP has been resurgent, with prices nearly 70% higher than their low of 50 cents. From June to July, XRP printed a clear-cut double bottom formation. This is a bullish sign that a local bottom has been reached, and XRP has risen over 20 cents since then. XRP is currently flirting with its major resistance zone of 77 cents 83 cents at the time of writing. For the price to reach the given targets, XRP must fully break and hold this zone. If this proves to be a success, XRP is likely to rise to around 91 cents at first. Major resistance is found at 895 cents, the 100-day moving average, as well as a long-term trend line. This will be a true test for bulls, as clearing all of these marks will almost certainly put $1 plus on the table. Guys, trade safely as always. Please keep in mind that we are not a registered investment advisor. All of the videos on this channel are solely for entertainment. Let us know what you think in the comments section below, and we'll have a discussion about it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe using the links below. Turn on notifications to be notified whenever we publish new great content. In the next video, we'll see you.